This is the main electric room. This is our main gear. This cabinet here comes from our utility, which comes from the connection cabinet, feeds into here. This is the main breaker for the whole building. So if this thing's shut off, we got a big problem. So I'll show you guys how to reset it, turn it off, turn it on, if you ever have to. These are all those panels that we saw up on the second floor and third floor. These are the breakers here. We also have an EM panel here, which is here. We have the P1 panel. It's going to be fed from here, which is right here. And then we have these two panels, H1 and H1E, which are also fed from right here. So if you ever have to turn these panels off, everything's here.
Yeah, there's a H1 breaker.
Yep. This is the P1 panel that feeds all the units down on this floor. Again, there's a panel schedule in here. Here's our sub-metering. These two panels here feed all the common circuits like exterior lighting, site lighting, car chargers, your lighting control panel. These are our lighting control panels. Obviously the circuits come from these panels into here and then they go out and they're controlled from right here. So there's 2 or 3 of these spots. Right now all the lighting is off. They just kicked on all the parking lot lighting. You can scroll through here and yeah, so the master switch, pole lights, I can shut those off individually, which is shut off. Wall packs I can shut off. Everything's labeled. Entry canopies, egress wall packs. You can go through and just turn off and on whatever you want. Just to test it too, if you guys want. So I can go back. We'll turn everything off. So that there's a couple points of this. I think there's another one over in the community area which we'll get to on the next video. This is your ATS. This is with the generator. So right here it's stating that you're in normal power. As soon as we dump this building, you're going to see these lights light up, and that means we're running on the generator. That panel, or this generator system, feeds this panel right here, which is all your EM lighting. Your elevators are fed from here. Your elevator shaft is fed from here. Your sump, everything that pertains to the elevator is fed from this panel. Sump pumps in the pit are fed from here. Corridor lighting, egress lighting. So everything stays up and running when the generator's on. Out here, this is a manual transfer switch. So say something happens with the building tower and something happens with the generator company can roll, or a rental company, whatever you guys want to do. You guys can roll a generator up right here. And then you bring the leads from the generator and you plug them right in, and this keeps everything still EM backup. So say there was a big problem everywhere, this helps keep power onto the building and the emergency areas. You know, lighting in the corridors, elevators stay running. It won't keep the units running because the units are not on the generator. But yeah, you just do that, switch it over to portable, and that'll keep power going through to the EM panel.